Hello, my name is Alan Hoxie. I'm a Woodland Direct NFI certified specialist. We are experts in fire. I'm here to show you how to assemble your very own outdoor gas burning fire pit. First, we're going to talk about the enclosure. All sorts of different shapes and sizes. We have a rectangular shape here, about 2 feet tall, about 2 feet deep, about 4 feet wide. Rectangular, square, circular, doesn't matter. Whatever fits your outdoor decor, the enclosure will work. Now in this instance, something you need to note is ventilation. We have ventilation on this side, we have ventilation on this side. The purpose of the ventilation is to allow any kind of pooling gas from a gas leak to go out and dissipate. Secondly, water into the enclosure needs a place to escape. So that's the enclosure, that's the important part you need to know. Next, we're going to walk over here, we're going to look at our gas line connections. Is a propane regulator connected to a gas hose, connected to my key valve. You can run natural gas or propane. In this instance, we have propane. From my key valve, I have a secondary gas hose, which connects to my burner. And I'll show you here in 1 second. Next, we're going to talk about the pan. About 2 inches deep. It can be a flat pan, it could be a deep pan. The purpose of the pan is to separate the gas connections with the media and also with the burner. Next, we have the burner. The burner in this instance is a brass burner. We have brass burners, you can have stainless steel burners, you could have these jet burners, you could have an H-shaped burner, you could have a tubular burner, you have a stainless steel burner, lots of different options, okay? The burner is there to project the flame. Next, I'm going to connect my burner to my gas supply. Once this is established, we're going to take this over, we're going to connect our supply to the opposite side of the hose, as such. Now, I'm going to put my gas lines inside and I make my connection to my fuel source. Once we've connected this, we'll drop in our burner pan, this. So from here, let's talk about our media. A couple different kinds of media here. One of them being a glass bead, the other being a lava rock. Glass is more of a contemporary style, more of a traditional style. Either one can work depending on your decor in your home, outside, whatever you're trying to do with your outdoor living space, okay? Either one will work, it is purely cosmetic. Now, the last part is our control options. The first and the most simple is going to be your standard matchlet system, all right? You turn on your gas, you light it. Second, we have a push button ignition system. The push button, you turn on your gas here, and you simply press this button, it'll generate a spark at your burner, and that is your ignition source. Lastly, we have the electronic ignition system. That is designed to work with power. However, it affords you the opportunity to use a remote control. You can use a wall switch if you want to wire it into a wall switch. You can even wire it into your home automation system. Any of those will work with your electronic ignition system. All right, that's it. You now have been equipped with the ability to build your very own outdoor gas burning fire pit. If you have any questions, please visit us at woodlanddirect.com or give us a call, 800-919-1904. Any of our experts would love to chat with you. Thank you.